I'm Kathleen Ronquillo, student nurse from Section 12J, and for this video, I'll be performing an open gloving. So the importance of open gloving is to show how to properly apply and use gloves when having an assessment to the patient. So now, let's get started. Okay, so first is you have to make sure that you have the correct size of the gloves for you to fit in. So my size is 7.5. Now next is we have to open the packaging. So you have to make sure that you're done in medical hand washing before using the stereo gloves. The next is carefully open the package. Notice that there are two coverings inside. So we have the outer and we have the inner package. Then get the inner package and put this aside. Next is grasp the inner package and lay it on a clean flat surface just above waist level. And then open the package, keeping the gloves on the wrapper. The next is you have to avoid touching the gloves because this is sterile. And then we have to identify the right and left glove. So each glove has a cuff approximately 5 centimeters or 2 inches wide. So glove your dominant hand. So my dominant hand is my right hand. So I'll glove it first with thumb and my 2 fingers of my non-dominant hand, which is my left hand. So my 2 fingers and my thumb will grasp the inner surface. Then I have to carefully pull glove over my dominant hand, leaving a cuff and being sure that the cuff does not roll up to my waist, and make sure that the fingers are in proper spaces. Then I have to carefully pull it. Now that we're done with dominant part, next is glove the non-dominant hand, which is my left hand. So I'll slip my 4 fingers underneath the second glove cuff with the thumb abducted. So like this. Then I have to place 4 fingers inside with the thumb abducted. Then I have to pull the second glove over my non-dominant hand. So make sure that your fingers are in places. Then you can arrange the sterile gloves, or here, since this part are sterile. So now we're done with gloving the stereo gloves. Okay, so now is how to remove the gloves, considering that if ever you have already used up your stereo gloves. So I have to use my dominant hand. So I have to grasp the other glove and remove by inserting it, keeping the contaminated area on the inside. So I have to continue to hold on to your gloves. So you have to grasp the cuff and the inside surface should be enclosed. The next is the non-dominant hand should be slide inside on the other glove. So you will enclose the soil area. Then I have to discard gloves in appropriate container and wash my hand. And that's it.